Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable baby bib called Max using my pattern, so let's just jump right in. To start, I'm going to cut out my pattern piece. You can use a desired fabric and you can add a protection of the plastic at the top just so it cleans easily. And now I'm gonna cut off the same pattern in my lining fabric. You can use a matching color or a transparent color. It's just to give a little bit more structure. And now that I have two panels ready, I'm gonna press them down using an iron so they are nice and flat, and top stitch them around the edges to secure them in place. As you can see, because the top fabric that I'm using is a stretchy fabric and my lining fabric doesn't stretch at all, the fabric shifted a little bit, so I decided to undo a few stitches just to make it smooth and even. So now that I undone a few stitches, I'm just going to stitch it once again, and I'm going to keep the stretchy side at the bottom to prevent the fabric from moving more. And now it looks so much better. I'm going to go ahead and trim the seam allowance as close to the seam as I can. And this trim looked very beautiful, but it wouldn't be very practical. This is how it looked like with 1 centimeter wide elastic. This was with 1.5, and I liked it to be a little bit bigger, so I went with elastic that I had in a brown color that's gonna match the fabric color. And then I left out a little bit of elastic just to tie it at the end, and I binded the raw edge. And now when I get to the end, I'm just going to continue to stitch the straps together. And at the end, I'm just going to run a 90-degree angle to finish off the seam. Are you kidding me? It's so adorable and cute. It has that extra stretch, so when the baby grows, the elastic is great for that. And that's your Max Baby Bib. Super fun project and super easy to make for beginners.